Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 search lagging. Fix it fast with these methods. First method is clear search history. Second method is restart Windows Explorer. Third method is change search service settings. Fourth method is disable unwanted startup apps. Fifth method is reset Windows search. Sixth method is update Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.